Guys, welcome to Monte Mayor 1. And it's not called number 1 for one reason only. In fact, it's 2. The first reason is it's such a unique, stunning property nestled in the hills. So that's 1. And number 2 is, well, it's the first house as you walk through the security gate. Now, there is something I need to share with you before I start, and I guess it's quite obvious. We're almost finished the construction, but I needed to get you into this house before construction finishes, because this house is going to go very, very quickly. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the outside. Firstly, I want to point out that you've got this incredible fountain that spills out over into your infinity pool, right out to these beautiful views. You've got a chill out area over here, and over there you've got the outdoor dining area. So the plot is just under 3,000 square meters and views to die for. You've got a lake view, and right behind me, pictured beautifully, is the Concha mountain. That's responsible for the microclimate that we have here in the Costa del Sol, keeping us warm all year round, spoiling us in fact. I think I mentioned before, the plot is a corner plot, so your dining area is right here over on the corner, giving you these views right across the valley. Really, really nice. As soon as you walk in here, the first thing that grabs you is this double, treble height ceiling, windows all around you, and the lights just spilling in through here, and the views are again spectacular. 800 square meters of house. So over here is going to be your lounge area, your TV over here. Over here you've got this massive breakfast bar area. And on the breakfast bar you've actually got your cooking hob as well as a sink, and there's another sink on the other side. You can imagine yourself standing here in the kitchen looking out to these outstanding views. So we've got on this floor here, as we've already mentioned, our living, our open plan kitchen, our utility room. On the other side here, we've got a fantastic office area with its own toilet, and we've got 2 bedrooms, both with their own ensuite. Upstairs, if we look upstairs, we've got the master suite, and boy, it's absolutely spectacular and huge, with a great walk-in wardrobe and views to die for again. And you've got this bridge connecting to the other side, completely independent to the master bedroom, with another 2 very generous sized bedrooms. On top of that, you've got the solarium, and wait till you see the views from there. Wow, wow, wow. Look at these views. Okay, it's important to point out, of course, we are still on a building site and the glass hasn't arrived, but all of this is going to be covered with glass, so it'll be safe for the family. So over here, you've got the pre-installation for the barbecue, the sink, the kitchen. So can you imagine standing here, looking out of these views, cooking your barbecue for your family? It's going to be spectacular. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today here at this modern masterpiece nestled in the hills of Monte Mayor. Now, if you'd like to see the house, don't forget to subscribe and drop us a line. We'll see you on the next property tour or here on the Costa del Sol.